What's up?
No, I'm fine. What is that?
It's joy.
How much joy is in your life?
1 can.
Oh, okay.
We're in Bexley, Ohio. We're about to go on the most amazing trip ever to the Gravity Rally.
We need to fix the R34 GTR. Actually, just do an oil change in it. Figure the fuse for the electrical inside because it's hard to run a rally without any power. Then we have the S2000. We almost lost the wing on the way here, minor detail. We need to do the suspension and we need to finish deleting the pump that caught fire.
Making sure this wing does not go flying off of the interstate. As I previously understood.
Yeah, so what exactly are you putting on the tips there?
On the tips there's some Loctite.
And that'll work?
We hope so. I hope.
We're investigating a leak on the R34. It's definitely power steering. There's a banjo bolt that is just spewing kind of power steering fluid, and I think it's missing a crush washer. We have 945 miles to go.
Air ready to be pre-made.
756 miles to go.
Wow, you're so enthusiastic, aren't you?
Oh, I have to be enthusiastic. You didn't tell me that. You just said a number or
Just
something.
try it.
Okay. Okay. Loosen the goose. 56 miles.
756 mile
Yeah.
line.
So, 76 miles to go. Be great. We'll have fun.
$643 miles to go. We're almost there. Ready? What's up?
You good? Is that dirty? All of it is dirty, you filthy monster.
You guys ready?
Look at that car. It is the car. Yeah.
There's the other one.
Okay. We're in Orlando, I think. We made it. We're gonna go clean the car. It's gonna be good. We have those guys over there.
Say hi. Come on, guys.
And in front, we have the Fast and Furious one that we just finished.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
What are we doing?
Washing the viewing.
Okay. Anything we should know about washing the car?
Don't wash the roof
So why don't we wash the roof?
because there's holes in it.
Ah, yes, the lights. Good idea.
I remember. The pen popcorn.
It smells like popcorn. Good. Having seen it finished,
Yes.
do you have any regrets that it has to be sold?
No, absolutely not.
It's going for a good cause, after all.
Absolutely.
Good.
And we're having fun while doing it, so that's the whole point. Look at this. Look how much freaking fun we're having at the moment. You're right. You're right.
We are here.
Hello, we are here.
Okay, boys.
Yeah.
James,
Yeah.
what do you want out of this rally?
I want to have a great time, and that's it. That's all I want.
What do you want out of this?
Same thing, copy paste. Having fun, enjoying the drive, and doing something nice for the fucking country.
Jordan, what do you want out of this rally?
Burning rubber and speed.
To the drive.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.